All right, welcome back, everybody. Are you like most of us right now? You're troubled by dry, itchy skin. Cold temperatures, indoor heat, and wind are not our best friends. They can make us look and feel parched and old. So today, an expert shares her list of the best spa treatments. She also has a list of the top 7 things you can do at home to revamp your skincare routine. Dr. Deborah Manjoney is the medical director and owner of the Wisconsin Vein Center and MediSpa. Good morning. Great to see you on this Friday.
Thank you.
I think Tiffany and I complain about it constantly.
Right.
It's just this type of weather is so hard on our skin.
It is, no matter where you live, too, because, you know, the dryness of being inside and the heat, or being outside in the cold winter air that's blowing and burning your skin, it's hard to avoid.
It's harsh for sure. The thing that I didn't realize too is that dryness, and it makes sense, makes fine lines, makes wrinkles worse.
That's exactly right, because it dries out that outer layer of your skin, so your epidermal layer actually gets thicker, and so you've got all those dead skin cells, and they fill in those lines. It really makes the lines much more apparent.
Well, and I'm glad in a second we're going to give you your tips, but exfoliation I know is key. It
really
seems
important.
counterintuitive, like it would dry out our skin, but I know it's a good
You want to
thing.
use mild exfoliators and moisturize at the same time.
Let's talk first about treatments that can be done at the MediSpa that are good for our skin right now.
Well, really the nice hydrating facials are great. So HydraFacial, where we can use customized products that we deliver into the skin at the same time we are cleansing the skin and exfoliating. So
and they can really penetrate deeper.
Penetrates nicely. Really nice treatments to have. And as I said, you know, we really can choose whatever we think your skin needs that it's lacking. And then the other one is DermaSound, where we're using actually ultrasonic cleansing techniques, and then using ultrasound to actually help products penetrate more deeply, because it allows the cells to open up and things really get in much deeper when you're using ultrasound. So those 2 things are great facials to have at this time of year.
And I always think, I appreciate this about you, I think the timing of the specials you offer people is very considerate of like the holidays or the time of year. And so right now you have a really nice special on the products that moisturize the skin.
So the products, the moisturizing products are going to be 25% off till the end of the month. And then our 2 facial treatments I talked about for Morning Blend viewers are going to be 20% off. So, you know, it's a nice time to try to get your skin in better condition.
I like that. Okay, so and we'll remind you of those great specials and the products coming up in just a little bit. But let's go to now things that people can do at home right now to combat dry winter skin.
Even using their own products, but things they have to remember are change to a milder cleanser. You know, if you're using a harsh cleanser, if you have acne or if you have oily skin, you really have to reconsider that at this time of year. So use a milder cleanser and use moisturizers specifically. And now the moisturizers that we have, there's a new one called HA5. It's new from Skin Medica, and actually it is a hyaluronic acid, which is what we call a humectant. It attracts moisture to your skin. It's naturally found in our skins.
Which one is that?
That's this one right here.
Okay,
but
right there.
That one now is new, just out 2 weeks. And what it's going to do is it's going to treat the moisture loss in the epidermis. And then over the course of about 2 to 4 weeks, you're going to start to see improvement in actually the way your dermis, the lower level of skin, makes your own hyaluronic acid. So you're going to see immediate results. It's a smoothing effect on the skin after about 15 minutes of application. And then at the end of the month, you'll be able to tell without anything on that your skin actually has, the lines are better. It's going to improve by about 25%.
That's wonderful. And make sure you're using a moisturizer at night.
Absolutely. Nighttime moisturizers are really good. Our Intensive Nourishing Cream or our Dermal Repair Cream, both really nice moisturizers to use at night.
Okay, number 2, exfoliate to remove the dead skin.
Exfoliation should be done, and so a Clarisonic, of course, is a great way to exfoliate, as this, you know, we have on our picture there. And also we have an exfoliating cream, which is just a little bit granular, very gentle.
I love that.
The finishing touch cream is really nice. It's well priced, and it's a great type of exfoliator to use.
And very gentle, too. Both the Clarisonic and the exfoliating cream are very gentle. You say avoid harsh peels, masks, and alcohol-based toners.
So people feel they need toners. At this time of year, you might want to go to a balancing toner. And then we actually have moisturizing masks. So this is a mask you can use at home, and it is called actually an uplifting mask or a toning mask. But it's moisturizing, and that's why it gives you the plumped up skin and why things look better and look like your skin is tauter, because it's actually moisturizing the skin.
This is a great tip. Moisturize the entire body after bathing. The sooner, the better, everybody.
That's exactly right. So we have wonderful body moisturizers. There's one that we have here called GlyPro. It actually has a little glycolic acid in it, so it's going to exfoliate and moisturize at the same time. So if you really have rough spots, or you're really at a point where, oh my goodness, my skin just feels like it's ready to peel off, I feel like a snake, use that kind of thing, because it's going to exfoliate and moisturize at the same time. And we have Extreme Barrier Cream that is just kind of a step up from our usual moisturizers that we use on our body, and Dermamedic's another great one.
Okay, reapply to hands and lips throughout the day. Exactly. Quickly, the last two, don't forget about sunscreen even this time of year.
Exactly right. The sun is actually closer to the earth during the winter, and when we're outside we tend to forget about using sunblock when it's winter time. So use your sunblocks, use your sunscreens. That's very important. The other tips are, number 6 is going to be avoid really long hot baths, because that's just going to strip the oils out of your skin. And the last one, of course, is to drink plenty of water.
I've heard from like supermodels of every age. Christy Brinkley, I know, is one of them. Drink a lot of water. Hydrate from the inside, and it'll show up on the glow on your skin outside. Right. Those are all awesome. I'm going to remind people the great specials that you have going on right now. Again, perfect timing for these wonderful products. If you've never tried, you can visit. They'll help guide you with the best ones. So these are good through the end of this month, through the end of February. 25% off moisturizing, replenishing products, and then 20% off both of those wonderful facials. It is the Hydra Facial and the Dermasound Facial. Call and ask today about these things at 262-746-9088. They're on Georgetown Drive in Pewaukee, WIMedispa.com. Wonderful people there to help you, and they'll do a free consultation to get you in the right regimen for your skin.
Absolutely.
Great to see you.
Thank
Happy
you.
weekend to you.